Central Election Commission has started the count of miscast ballots on the basis of Electoral College decision, which ordered the examination of around 1,800 boxes containing the ballot papers for Tirana Mayor, Municipal Council, Chairman of Borough and Boroughs Council. Divided into 8 groups, the Election Administration Commissioners have been uninterruptedly working to count the miscast ballots in 11 Tirana boroughs, which have been put in the envelopes of disputed ballots by zonal commissioners. This process taking place in Central Election Commission seat is being closely monitored by DP and Socialist Party observers. Until now, the majority candidate for Tirana Mayor, Luzin Basha, continues to be several dozens of votes ahead of his socialist rival, Edi Rama. The Socialist Party keeps opposing the additional vote count, although the Electoral College ruled in favor of Central Election Commission procedures to assess the ballots cast in the wrong box. Socialists claim that their candidate is the winner by a margin of 10 votes and that the count of stray ballots putting Luzin Basha on the lead is a manipulation of election outcome on the table by Central Election Commission. The local elections were held on May 8th, and still there's no official winner of Tirana municipality.